In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Kalodata free trial. By the end, you'll have your trial activated and know exactly where to find it in the dashboard, so you can start exploring right away. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Kalodata. Type the brand name into your search bar and scan the results for the official site. To make sure you're in the right place, look for the secure padlock icon in the address bar and avoid sponsored links that don't clearly point to the official homepage. Once you've found the correct result, click through to the site. On the homepage, look for the button or banner that says Start Free 7-Day Trial. This is usually featured prominently near the top of the page or within the pricing section. Click it to begin the sign-up flow. If you ever land on a general features or pricing page instead, just scroll a bit. Most pages repeat the free trial entry point, so you can't miss it. Next, choose Sign Up. This will take you to the account creation options. You can register using your email address, a TikTok account, a Google account, or a phone number. Pick the method you prefer. If you use a social login like Google or TikTok, you may be asked to grant permission. Review the prompt and continue. If you choose email or phone, enter your details carefully and complete any verification steps that appear, such as entering a code or confirming a message sent to your inbox. A quick tip here. Use an email you check regularly so you don't miss onboarding messages or trial reminders. After your account is created, you'll be prompted to provide a few basics about your business to set up your dashboard. This typically includes your business type and team size. These details help tailor your workspace and surface the most relevant tools and reports, so it's worth being accurate. You can usually update these later in settings if anything changes. Once registration is complete, your free trial activates immediately. You'll know it's live when you land in the Kalodata dashboard and see a badge in the top right corner showing the days remaining in your trial. Keep an eye on that badge to track your time so you can explore features, test workflows, and decide what matters most to you before the trial ends. If you plan to return often, bookmark the dashboard and use the same login method you chose during sign-up for a smoother experience. That's it. Your Kalodata free trial is ready to go. Enjoy exploring and make the most of your 7 days.